Hello everyone, it's me, Paula. I am back, hopefully, with a journal video. It's early in the morning, and the reason why this video wasn't up earlier is because my other phone took a little dump, and my friend Michelle brought me this one, so I'm pretty excited about it, because I don't like learning new technology. I hate it so much. So, and I didn't want to do a video like talking like I was on crack or whatever, because yeah, that's what it would have sounded like, because I'm not a fast talker, or a talker at all for that matter sometimes. But yeah, I'm here with this hardback journal. I used a book for this, but I put my own spine on it, and this is Tim Holtz paper, and I just put some muslin on here and painted it and stamped on it. Put a little book plate on there. I gotta stop holding it up. And there is 3 signatures in here. And let's go inside. Oh, this has got one of those little Tim Holtz things attached to it. It says, "Live for the moment. You cannot put into words." I like that. It's so cute. And I have all this right here so my light doesn't shine on here and back up at you guys, even though my desk is a huge mess. But I had to cover up the light spots, try to, like that one right there. So we'll do this. Oh my goodness. Anywho, inside, it's kind of stiff still because I haven't been playing with it, but it'll flatten out for sure. And here, and don't ask me where I got some of the stuff because now I can't remember, because this stuff basically was just laying about and I just grabbed it because I want to use some of this stuff, kind of like this pile right here. But yeah, I don't remember where I got some of this stuff, and I'm really sorry that I don't remember. But this is original Coca-Cola bottling company receipt thingy majingy. It's pretty sweet. So I didn't back that with anything because it's super cool as it is. And then I did some sewing in here. I sewed around this. And I love this paper back here. It's the Tim Holtz wallpaper. And over here, I just did a little thing right there. Little sewing ruffle. And this is just a little booklet with some other papers inside. And since you can't really journal right there, so I just put that in there. I mean, you can, but yeah, you know what I mean. And you go over here, and this is just, I think that's Ardennes, I think. Hopefully I'm right. Did some stamping, original vintage letter right here. That's the last one I had. Used some of this Tim Holtz washi tape in here because I have so much washi tape I need to start using it. Did a little stamping, some Tsunami Rose flowers, and this is Tim Holtz ephemera right there. Ledger paper. This paper I think Trina found. I'm not sure, but I love it. Can't remember who found it, but some lace ruffles on, some music paper. I thought for a second I put that in upside down. I'm like, oh, no. You guys don't judge me. And here is another little original from the library of piece of ephemera. And an old vintage postcard. Goes this way. I just put this on there because I can never open these things very good. So I just put that on there so I can open it pretty good. I'll try and hurry because I sewed some coffee dyed paper on the back of this, and I just added some of that washi tape. I just love that. So cute. Put that in there. Little doily. And this is an old piece of ephemera too, and I just cut it in half so I can put both pieces in here. It's from the Railway Company. And this is just clipped on, sewed on some coffee dyed paper. Did some rub-ons in here and put some little danglers here and there. And that got dangled into something. I don't know what, but I used it anyway. This is a postcard from Artie Mays. Some washi tape. And this is a piece of ephemera that my granddaughter Savannah made. Some Tim Holtz ephemera. And this little thing right here, tabby, is off of the front of one of the tablet covers, you know. I just thought it was cute, so I cut it out and folded it over. Tim Holtz lady. That can be put wherever you want to put her. And I just kind of, how did I have her? Like a so. I thought that was kind of cute. The other part of that fragile paper. And this is Dreams, etc. On this side, I have some old ephemera that can be used in other journals or wherever she wants to. And over here is just some folded up envelope with, oh my goodness, Nevermore Creations. And over here, another little pocket. This little piece my niece made, and this is Nevermore Creations. It folds out. In this bag, I just have another bunch of paper, tablet, leftover stuff sewn across the top. I did it. Can you believe that? And this was some, what is that? Vellum paper that had a bunch of these on it, so I just cut it out and backed it on coffee dyed paper and sewed it to this to make a little bookmark. I thought that was very cute. There's the other piece of that paper that was messed up. And yes, that is ink dauber right there. And my son's girlfriend's son, which I call him my grandson because he's so cute. And he was playing in my craft room and did that, so I just left it in here. His little piece of his art in here as well. Just some ephemera, Tiffany stamp clipped onto there. Another little dangler. And this is just some cute little ephemera piece. Is that on there? Yeah. And my sister made this little pocket and gave it to me, and I just decorated it up and stuck a tag in there, and you can also stick a tag in here. I like a lot. And I left it open, just clipped on, so that way it can flip over and you can write on the back of it. And this is some more really old ephemera, and I didn't want to mess with it, so I cut it in, well, I actually folded it and it broke, so I left it as so and just clipped it in there because I think it's super cool. That's the first signature. And this little guy, oh, I almost ripped it off there. That would not have been good. It's just an envelope. It's one of these. Let's see. One of these envelopes that I got. And I can't remember on Etsy where I got it. But I just cut it in half. And then I just made a booklet out of it. With some old map. And some old Sears and Roebuck catalog. So just for extra writing and some more interest. I wanted to use those. Oh, come on. And I just clipped that in there. And some more ruffle. I just left the strings and all because I like them. Some more washi tape, and this is a little window envelope, and I just added some little ephemera to it. And on the inside, some more, one of these little guys that she can decorate the book with. And this is some more old ephemera. Don't know, I don't have my glasses on or I would read that a little bit, but I can't read it, so I'm not gonna try. And I just stuck that in there. Some more washi tape, another one of those little booklets, and this I just ran through my little stamp maker so it can just be stamped in there any old wares. I won't open that one because it's about the same. Oh, one of these little guys was up there. The last signature, another one of the book cover things I made a tab out of, and I just stuck that in there. Another little Tim Holtz guy, ephemera card, sewn on. Another little dangle. Everything's coffee dyed. And this little, I love her face. She's so cute. And a really old bingo card that Miss Vonnie sent to me. And this one is sewn around as well. Some more rub-ons. Over here, just some little snippets of things. Another old, this one is sealed shut. So you could actually snip the bottom of this if you wanted to and use it as a pocket, but I just didn't want to mess with it. I'll let Miss Amelia mess with it if she wants to. I didn't even want to get rid of it, but I wanted to. I thought it fit this journal, so some more ephemera, some Tim Holtz in there, washi tape. This is just tucked in. It looked like it was ripped, so I just cut it right there with the scissors and made it look vintage more. Another one of these, but this one is glued down, and I just have her in the back. And this little guy, and I made these to stick in there, so I'm gonna stick this in there like that. And that is just one of those little cards I just showed you. I just cut the 4 out and sewed it on there. And this is a little tiny booklet I just made and stuck in there. Some Tim Holtz ephemera. What's in this? Oh, this is another booklet that I had made laying around, and just a bunch of paper in there, lined coffee dyed paper. Here, these are just tucked in here so she can use them elsewhere if she wants to. This butterfly was the same. It was on one of the front of the cardstock catalogs or books, and I just folded it over and used it as a tuck spot for these little tags. And there's the one off the other card thing that I did. Didn't sew around that one. Oh, there's another little dangler. And over here, I just made a little big tag, Hermelinda-like tag. And I just folded that up, stuck that in there. On this side's another little booklet just of this paper right here. Just sewed it all together. Actually, there's 2 of them. Get on there. Another piece of original ephemera. I love this stuff. I love it. Another one of those, and it's just clipped on. 2 tags. This one is sewn onto a coffee dyed tag. And back here, there's another one of these, and Tim Holtz, and a vintage postcard with a letter from 1958. Yeah. Dear Mother and Father. Oh, I gotta put it like this so you can see the red. I love that. And that is my latest beast of a journal, which I need to open and shut a little more because she's still a little stiff. But yeah, stay tuned. I do have a couple more journals over there that I started that I need to finish. I've been doing furniture and things, so yeah, I got a lot of projects going on at the same time. So, but I am getting back into this. So yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And yes, I will have more videos soon. Thank you and have a great day.